truck. A little bit of the sound walking on rocks. Let's see. There's the with the wheels. I don't know if you can see the tread, but you got good meat. It does have, where is it? I don't see it. I don't know if you can't see it, but it does have heated mirrors.
The back window is the same tint as the regular.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it just looked, I don't know, it looked different to me.
No, it is. It's the same.
Dash. Yeah, the back seat, with the seat all the way back, it's a little bit tight, but if the seat's up a notch or two, and then I can...
That's would be for me.
I guess it's a little...
Tight,
it's kind of tight. It's, you know, if you had to get 4 people in here, you could do it. And it has a really good sounding stereo too.
On the next entertainment tonight, first on the set with the primetime actress who is playing the